Welcome back, product managers. Today, we're diving into 4 powerful ways you can leverage AI to strengthen your product management game. If you're ready to unlock the future, then let's get started. Enhance customer insights. Understanding your customers is a key to building great products. AI can help you analyze customer data from various sources like social media, surveys, and user feedback. Now, you may be asking how, but tools like IBM Watson and Google Analytics can sift through massive amounts of data, identifying patterns and trends that might not be immediately obvious. What this means is that you can make more informed decisions about what features to build next and how to improve user experience. Predictive analytics. For roadmap planning, imagine being able to foresee the success of a new feature before you even build it. AI can do just that with predictive analytics. How? Use AI tools like Tableau or Microsoft Azure to analyze historical data and predict future trends. This helps you prioritize features and allocate resources more effectively, ensuring your roadmap is always on point. Automate routine tasks. As a product manager, you're juggling millions of tasks at once. AI can help by automating repetitive tasks like scheduling meetings, sending reminders, and updating project statuses. Again, how? Tools like Trello with Butler or Asana can automate these tasks, freeing up your time to focus on strategic decision-making and team collaboration. Think of it as your personal assistant, but digital. Optimize user experience with personalization. Customers expect a personalized experience. AI can help you deliver just that by tailoring your product to individual users' preferences. How? Use AI-driven recommendation engines like Amazon Personalized or Dynamic Yield. These tools analyze users' behavior and suggest personalized content, features, or products. This not only enhances user satisfaction, but also boosts engagement and retention. AI is a powerful tool that can transform the way you manage products. By leveraging AI, you can gain deeper insights, make more accurate predictions, streamline your workflow, and create highly personalized user experiences. Now, that's it for our 4 game-changing ways to use AI in product management. Start exploring these tools today and take your product management skills to the next level. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Till next time, Justin out.